Hey guys, welcome to Character Corners, where enrichment is beyond the classroom. Welcome to my channel. So make sure you like and hit that subscribe button where you can get free resources like printable worksheets for your kiddos to practice on and free video tutorials. So our parents of homeschoolers and any other educators, you are free to look at these videos to help your kids engage. What we're trying to do is let's remember to keep our skills sharp over the summer. We want to make sure that our kiddos are retaining the information that they learned from the last school year, and we want to carry that over to the next school year. The best way to help them to retain that information is to help keep them engaged with little mini lessons over the summer. So today we're going to be going over multiplication strategies. So in the last video, we went over multiplication strategies, but we were focusing on equal groups. In this video, we're going to be focusing on arrays. So let's get started. What is an array? What is an array? You see this big word here, this vocabulary word. An array is rows with an equal number of items in each row. So let's go down to look at our visual example right here by our little monster. So you have 4 rows, okay? So you have 4 rows. That's 4 rectangle boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rectangle boxes going down of 4 dots. So 4 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, you have 4 rectangle boxes and 4 dots in each row, which will give you your multiplication problem of 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So 4 rows times 4 dots in each box. If you count all the dots up all together, that is going to give you 16. Now, parents, what you can do is you can pause it here, have your kiddos to draw out this example and write down a multiplication equation so that they can practice with it and really visualize how to write out an array. Next, you're going to try. So let's write a multiplication problem to match the model. So how many rows do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have what? 3 rows, okay? And then how many dots do we have? How many dots do we have in each box? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we have 6 in each box. So we have 3 rows of 6. Okay, so then let's go ahead and write our multiplication equation for that. Remember, our array has our rows. So we're going to have 3 rows. That's our 3 rectangle boxes. And we use like a little X as our multiplication symbol. So 3 times. And then what number would you put there? 3 times what number equals to your product, which is your answer. That would be your multiplication equation. Again, I will pause it here, have your kiddos to draw this array, and then write the 3 rows of 6, and then write out their multiplication problem. Awesome. So again, you have 3 rows of 6, which gives us our multiplication equation of 3 times 6 equals 18. How do you get to that 18? You count your total number of dots. So we have the 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then our total number of dots. We have 6 in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Therefore, our multiplication problem is 3 times 6 is equal to 18, which is our product. Okay, and parents, what you can do on this one, or kiddos, if you're listening by yourself, you can use your timetables chart or any type of multiplication chart or either flashcards to draw out your arrays. And you can do 5 rows of 4, 5 rows of 5, 3 rows of 2, 7 rows of 3. Draw out each of those arrays and practice drawing out and visualizing those arrays and practice writing out your multiplication equation and getting the correct product. And that is going to be it for Character Corners today. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching Character Corners. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. When you comment, make sure that you're putting in the comment section any videos or uploads that you would like for me, not videos, I'm sorry, but any uploads that you would like for me to teach your little one. Or either go over anything with your little one. So just put that in the comment section and I'll upload a free tutorial on that subject. All right, see you later.